This faceless YouTube channel has generated over 200 million views and nearly 500,000 subscribers, all from one insanely trending niche. And the crazy part is this: the videos look complex, but the system behind them is actually incredibly simple. In this video, I am going to show you the exact $0 strategy to replicate the success of the Dr. Data channel. And yes, this is the same AI workflow I personally used to start cracking the algorithm and generate viral results without spending a single dollar. And by the time you finish watching this tutorial, you will know exactly how to create videos like this from scratch.
Every rep counts, every drop of sweat matters, but strength's built after the work is done. Refuel the frame, repair, rebuild, return stronger. One shake, one mission, one step closer to unstoppable. This isn't just protein, it's power in every scoop. Stay sharp, stay hungry, stay unbreakable.
And if you want to build a faceless YouTube empire using videos like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the lab, because we break down viral strategies here every single week. Now let's start with step 1, generating the script and prompts. Open ChatGPT and look for the GPTs tab. Click on it. Next, select Explore GPTs. You will see a search bar at the top. Type skeleton shorts. And this is the exact GPT we are looking for. Once you find it, open it and start a new chat, because this tool will generate the script and the detailed scene prompts we need to build the entire video. You want descriptions like realistic 3D skeletons, cinematic lighting, glowing muscle fibers, dramatic angles. The more visual detail you include, the better your final video will look. Once you have those prompts ready, move to step 2, creating the skeleton images. Take your prompts and bring them into Gemini. Ask it to generate 9 to 16 vertical images in a realistic 3D style, and make sure you include one very important instruction. Tell it to keep the character consistent across every prompt so the skeleton looks like the same character throughout the entire video. After generating your images, it is time for step 3, animating the visuals. Upload those images into Grok and use the Animate command to turn each image into a 5-second video clip. This is where the magic happens. Your static skeleton images suddenly come to life with glowing muscle fibers, subtle movements, and cinematic motion that makes the content feel dynamic and engaging. Step 4 is generating the voiceover. Take your finished script and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose a deep cinematic documentary style voice that fits the dark, scientific vibe of these videos. Now we move to the final step. Step 5, final assembly. Drop everything into CapCut and keep the pacing fast so the video never feels slow. If you want me to break down more viral YouTube niches like this, drop the niche you want to learn in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to the lab so you do not miss the next strategy. I will see you in the next one.